What's going on, guys? How we doing out there today? Pandora the Postcard Diva here. Hope you're having a marvelous day today. If you're here for the first time, do me a favor and smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back, welcome back. Not going to be before you long. Just want to give you some updates. First, if you have not checked out my projects to see what I've got going on, make sure you go to www.coffeecoins.info. Peruse around. All right. I've got a few updates I'm going to give you guys. Let me get this set up. Now, before we get into that, let's go over the FTC disclaimer. Average affiliates can expect to earn $346 with this business. For full earnings disclosure, visit income.thehba.net to earn higher amounts. It takes work, skill, and commitment is required because we can't make any income claims or guarantees. You must do the work, all right, to get the results. All right, let's get into it right quick. All right, we're going to go over first. We're talking about the Home Business Academy. We want to go in here first. Let's look at our quote for today. All right, it says, shoot for the moon, even if you miss. You'll land among the stars. That one's by Les Brown. All right, Les Brown. Love it. All right, let's get into some things here. You know, HBA launched a new done-for-you funnel system where you don't have to set up anything. Your capture page is already in the system. Your sales page is already connected to the capture page. The autoresponder is already connected. You don't have to do anything regarding emails, any of that. The company is going to send out the emails for you. All right, this has been launched, what, maybe 2 weeks now? All right, it's all set up, and they just keep adding more and more and more. This company has really spoiled me, okay? They've made so many improvements and updates and a lot of upgrades. All right, and they're not charging us any more money for these things that they're doing to help all the affiliates. This is helping everybody, and they want to make this process as simple as possible, especially for a newbie, right? So this is going pretty well. I'm going to put my link, and I put it in the video yesterday. I told you guys I will share it so you guys can see what the new capture page looks like for the done for you system, okay? Where you don't have to set it up, and it looks like this. Where did it go? Okay, this is the page that we all have. All right, it's already set up. Once you purchase one of those 4 products, you're going to immediately be able to go ahead and grab your marketing link. Okay, in here you will go into affiliate and come down here where it says your turnkey system is ready. Skip the text, skip the setup. Your capture page is live. Just add traffic. All right, and so down here is where the capture page link is. I'm going to put it in the description so you can go through it and kind of see how it works. All right, but you don't have to do any of that, which is great, guys. So you have no excuses now not to get signed up. Pick one of these 4 products. Let's Go, Funnel Builder, Premium, or Financial Literacy. You can get started for as low as $10 whole. 10. All right, you go through this thing, see how it works. All right, and then you're going to come here and you're going to follow this affiliate start training, okay, to get you started on, okay, well, now that I've signed up, how do I market this thing? Follow this 35-minute video right here. It's going to tell you what you need to do. If you're already in the system and you want to upgrade to another product, you're going to come to the same page in affiliate. Come down here and click where it says click here to go all in. Unlock maximize earning potential. You click it. I'm all in, so there's no other products I can purchase. But if you're not all in, it's going to tell you what those products are that you don't have. Okay? So that's how you will go in there and purchase another product that you don't have. Come here to affiliate. Click this red button. Okay? All right, cool. Got that done. Now, let's go over a few of these updates that they've made. They just keep adding and adding and adding. All right, so let me see here. I made some notes. They've added, okay, free SSL and domain mapping for your turnkey capture page. It's live. This free SSL mapping. This SSL is what keeps your website secure for privacy protection. So they're saying you know, once you go here and you want to go ahead and decide you want to get a domain as well, it's already mapped. Okay, so you don't have to pay extra for that, which is an awesome feature. By the way, while we're talking about that, they have added what they call the Domain Scout. You can click it from up here, or you can come down here under the Turnkey system where it says Domain Scout, and you can get your domains right here in the platform. I don't know any programs that's doing any of this stuff. It's amazing. So you can come right in here. They've added some domains around your name. All right, but if you don't want to use any domains around your name, just come down here and search for a different domain, right? But you can buy your domain right in the platform. Unheard of, because most companies not going to deal with they're going to tell you to go buy your domain. They're not going to get involved in all that stuff. All right, but HBA has made it simple. They're like, you don't even have to leave, go outside of this platform. All right, so you can buy a domain right here within the platform. When you do that, let's say you want to buy one, you click it, come right here. You can get it for a year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, whatever you want. There's your domain. You can also add you a professional email with it if you want for $14.99 a year. That's pretty cool too. And then the domain, they have it already set up where it will forward automatically to this capture page. Okay, right here. So just go right here. See right here, it says your Turnkey capture page forwarding. You see that? It's already there, guys. And then just come down here at the bottom and purchase. See, it says billing information. Go down at the bottom and just buy it. Buy your domain, and it's already set up automatically. That's crazy. All right, I haven't seen anything like this in my whole time tenure being on the being an affiliate marketer. No companies do this. Okay, so this is awesome. And set it up, the DNS and all of the technical things that we normally have to do when we purchase a domain, they already have it tied in for you, so you don't even have to do that. Just buy, and you don't have to buy a domain. I'm just letting you know that it's available here where you can just buy it within the platform of the HBA system. One-stop shop. Okay? And your capture page is already ready for you. How many companies have done that? Yeah, they give you a capture page, but the way they're doing it here is totally different. Now, where's your leads going to go? At the bottom down here. Okay? I just started putting this out here. At the bottom is your leads, and you can export those leads out. Click the button down here. I'm not going to open it because it's going to show emails, but you'll be able to click down here and download them to your computer, and then you can export them over to, you know, another autoresponder if you have one, or just download them to your computer. All right, so that's the done for you system, guys. And in those emails, I think it's 11 emails that actually Paul is the one that's going to be sending those emails out for you. He's a great copywriter, and I believe he's added an ebook in the emails. So it's going to be a great follow-up sequence that your prospects are going to get, and you don't have to do any of that stuff. Just come here, purchase one of these products. Let's Go, Funnel Builder, Premium, or Financial Literacy. Log in, click affiliate, come down here, get your link, get to work. Watch this video to tell you how to get started. If you've joined me, reach out to me if you're interested in some emails I've put together, and I'm doing some Craigslist as well. So I'll be happy to share, you know, any of my resources with you as well. All right, and thank everybody that's gotten started. Greatly appreciate it. And I'm reaching out to everybody. Every time someone signs up, I come over here, see this little bubble? I can click that bubble. It's like an instant messenger within the system. I can see all my members, my team, my customers, and I can message them. And I do that as soon as you sign up. I message you, and I also email you. All right, and you know, welcome you aboard and just let you know who I am and my contact information. All right, guys, I'm here to help and assist everybody that's interested in moving forward and learning how to do this residual income deal. This is a solid company. They've been around for 10 years. Same owners. with integrity. They have not changed their comp plan. This is not a network marketing company, by the way. This is not MLM, okay? It's direct sales, which I like that. All right? So we don't have any pass-ups, one-ups, downlines, all that stuff. It's direct sales. Somebody signs up with your link, you get paid commissions weekly. All right? They pay out weekly every Thursday. And then next month, when those folks pay their subscription, you get paid again and again and again, month after month, as long as they keep the subscription, right? Cool. Whole training platform here. Come over here, learn and earn and apply what you learn to any business, not just HBA, any business. Okay? They got live coaching Monday through Friday. That's where it's at. Now, and of course, yes, I do have other affiliate programs that I'm a part of. You know the one I've been doing for 2 years. So I definitely love my instant pay commissions and I love my residual. All right, now what else have they updated? Paul mentioned that there's 4 new prompt write AI features. I'm not going to cover the other 3, just one, because unless you in the platform, you won't understand the lingo. Now, what I want to talk about is one that you would be able to see. So over here in premium, we're talking premium now. The prompt write AI is over in the premium. I'm loving these tools. My goodness. Excuse me. When I tell you I've put together some bomb emails that I also send as follow-up for people that don't open the emails, and my open rate for those is going up through the roof. It's amazing what you can do with this prompt write AI. All right, so I'm loving it. So anyway, in premium, he mentioned just one I'm going to show you that you can see. In the prompt write AI, which I use, love it, love it, love it. See right here, you can see where it's titled now, because I've gone in here and I have edited them. He has it where we can edit those and label them. Before they weren't labeled, so you kind of had to remember, well, what was here, what was here, what was this one about, what was this one about. So, excuse me, he calls it the renameable threads. Now you can label your conversation so you can find exactly what you need without scrolling through a wall of unnamed chats. That's what it was. They were unnamed, so you couldn't really tell, well, what was in each one. So I've gone in here and edited mine that I've created, so I'll be able to find them quickly, so you can stay organized and stay productive. Thank you for that, Paul. And then let's see, there's another update to the, let's see here, to the image generator, which is called the Van Gogh AI Image Studio. Now this also is another one of my faves. I love going in here. If you've been following me lately, if you noticed all my thumbnails, I've been using this Van Gogh AI image. It's amazing. And so they fine-tuned it. Okay? Because remember, these are their products. These aren't products that you can go out and buy. Those names, of course, there's other products out here online that you can buy. I'm talking about the ones in this platform are owned by HBA. So they're able to go in there, tweak them, right? Because they own them. It's the difference. They have that kind of control over their products because they learn to be programmers. Amazing. So they've made an update in here for the Van Gogh AI image. Learn how to get stunning AI generated images without wasting, time. Because a lot of times your prompts is what determines how the image is going to come out. And sometimes it could be quirky. I've had some where the picture don't even look like me. It's like, who is this? So you got to know how to word it, right? It's the wording of it all. So he's gone in and fine-tuned some things. He says here, this step-by-step walkthrough, he's created a video. See right here, we got a training video, okay? We didn't have a video before, so right here he's added a video. So let's click here to watch this training first before you go in here and start playing around, all right? Because we get, 3 images a day, okay? And so you don't want to waste your images if you don't really know what you're doing. Once you create those prompts and you hit send, you're wasting your time. So right here, he's created us a nice video. And this video is 25 minutes, guys. All right. So thorough training on how to use the Van Gogh AI Image Studio. Love it. All right. So he says this step-by-step walkthrough shows you the exact process for getting great results, faster, and error-free. So I'm loving that. So another improvement. Thank you so much, HBA. Love it, love it, love it. I'm really loving this platform. Really, really, really am. And I'm getting spoiled, as I said, because they keep adding and adding and adding and adding. And I used to be able to keep up with all the updates, improvements account, but it's just gone so far now. So anyway, glad to be here with this platform. They're really doing some great things over here. I'm telling you, got to come over here and check it out. My link is in the description. You can go to getpaidfromhome.info or go through this funnel right here if you want to see what this funnel is like. I'm going to put the link in the description for this funnel. So this is the done for you funnel. This is what you would have, right? If you don't want to set up your own funnel, this one's ready to roll, connected to your sales page, and the autoresponder is already created within the platform. Okay, the emails are going to go out. You don't have to do any of that. All right, so a great company to be a part of. Okay, and by the way, this platform pays 80% commissions on each product. Okay, that's how they pay out, 80%. And my understanding is that's the highest paying residual company that's out there, because residual normally companies don't pay that high. You may see that in the instant pay, like I get 100% commissions on another program I'm a part of, right? But residual, normally no. So this is amazing, and they've been able to keep that going for 10 years. I mean, there's companies right now that is coming on. All right, and this company is still standing. So loving being a part of it. So would love for you to join me. Go here again. You can go here to www.coffeeandcorns.info, or just go to the link in the description. Go to this page, opt in, so you can see what it's all about and get started. Get in where you fit in. I'm all in because again, I didn't want to miss any commissions, and I didn't want to miss the training, right? Because the live coaching that they have is Monday through Friday, and the premium is the creme de la creme. All right, traffic and conversions, coaching, marketing, this training right here. Okay, so I'm all in, and I've got all 4 products. Okay, but you can get in where you fit in, and guys, you can upgrade to a next product when you feel comfortable. All right, but at least come check it out. You can get started here at Let's Go for $10. And come here, check out everything. With Let's Go, you're still getting a lot of training, guys. If we come in here for Let's Go, you pay $10, you get all this down here. This bonus, exclusive bonuses and resources. Let me click it for you. You still get all that. I mean, you get a lot for $10. And you're earning $8 residual income month after month on that. All right, that's all I got for you today. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. And on your way out, don't forget to smash that subscribe button for me, and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Until next time, guys, y'all be safe out there. I'll see you on the next video. Have a blessed day. All right.